Hello everyone, welcome to HiDevs Community Streamlit series. So today's topic is Flipkart Review Sentimental Analysis. So in this application, we will perform sentimental analysis on Flipkart Review. So what is sentimental analysis? Sentimental analysis is that type of analysis in which we provide the context to the model, and the model will predict whether that review is positive, negative, or neutral. Let's get through it. So here is our review. So we will write post in was product. So let's see what the model predicts. Predict the reviews. So we can see that the sentiment of our review was worst, which means it is a negative review. So our model predicted accurately that your review is negative. So we will change the input. Good product, best quality. Now we will check it. Now we can see that your review is positive. It perform accurate prediction on our reviews. If you want to check the backend code of this model, so you can go to file section. You can open app.py file and you can check whole code, how the model is trained, which data is fed, how the model is predicting the value. You can all check here in this file section.
So, who is HiDevs? Before explaining about HiDevs, I am excited to share some good news with all of you today that we have successfully placed 10 plus students in various renowned company. So, if you also want to get placed, please join our community and get one step closer to your dream job. So, coming to HiDevs, who is HiDevs? So, HiDevs is first open community which will help you to get straight to second round of interview. If you are having any trouble in how to start career in data science, you want to improve your resume, not getting interview calls, want to switch from non-tech to tech, HiDevs is here for you. We will help to learn any technology, solve problems with ChatGPT, personalize your mock interview, and improve resume, cover letter, LinkedIn profile, etc. So what makes us unique? So everything is free of cost and we have one-on-one mentorship. We will follow industrial approach. We will hire industrialists from various companies to get your job. We organize mock interviews for you. So we provide various resources to get you your dream job. So join now to get your dream job. Thank you.